Here we go.
Welcome to preschoolers doing what they do best, using their imagination and playing. Let's see what fun things are in store at our preschool. This is a drawing by one of our students who always seems to color this way. Now, I was told that he's been told not to color that way, and they yell at him for coloring this way, but he's allowed to color this way as long as he knows and can say that he does know how to draw and color in the lines, which he can. He just enjoys scribbling the colors, mixing them up, and this is just the way he always does it, kind of like in a rainbowy fashion, so the picture was ironic. This is James. He comes to school every day. He really enjoys preschool. He loves to build things, and he is fantastic at building things. We give the kids so much free time here at this school to play and to learn, because as we all know, that children learn best through play. So this is a picture of the students in the class on one day. It was a rainy day, so we had the kids playing inside for a little bit longer than usual, but they really were having a great time. So at this school we can have a great time even when we can't go outside and when the weather is quite dreary. Now in this picture, actually the fifth child back, Gabriel, he built this train. He decided all on his own he was going to put the wooden chair in front and all the following plastic chairs behind it to make a train. And they all took turns being conductor, and they just had a blast. So one child, his ideas interacted with the whole class to make them all have fun, and they all got along, and it was just so great to see them all getting along. It's so much fun. This is a picture of them eating lunch. I believe they had some peaches and pizza. That's Caleb in the back, and he's holding his hand up because he is quite the goofball. We have some silly kids in our class. If you join your child to be one of our silly students too, and have so much fun. This is them eating lunch again. They love to eat. They're really good eaters for little kids. This is Jackson playing with his doll. He's putting it to sleep. I said, put the baby to sleep, and next thing you know, he got out a mat and was putting the baby to sleep. He's very smart boy. He just turned 3 years old. This is Bernay. She never naps, and this is Bernay during nap time. So Bernay's allowed to read books. The children don't have to nap. She's close to kindergarten age, so she's going to kindergarten in the fall, so she doesn't really nap anymore. But she does read books, and she plays with her puzzles that are allowed right by her mat. And she has a great time. And she's wearing a macaroni necklace that we had made the day before. This is Bernay and James. They're the two kids who just don't sleep during nap time, but that's okay here at our preschool, because these are kids that go on to kindergarten, and we're just so proud of them. And we're just happy that they're having a great day. They're having a great time in this picture. This is Jackson. He thought he wouldn't sleep during nap time, so I was asked to read him a story until he fell asleep. And sure enough, he fell literally into my arms back and fell to sleep. This is James. I let him turn the camera around to take a picture of us. He's really good with electronics. All of our students are taught in the classroom on a computer how to use a mouse. We practice the letters on the keyboard. They all know the word QWERTY. That's the beginning of the keyboard, and they know that's what a keyboard is. Technology is really prevalent in our classroom. So this was just so exciting for James to get to use the camera phone. This was a craft we did. Here was Bernay's hand that she made, where it was a hand punch out. She decorated it however she wanted, and then asked me to write hi on it for her. So I did it hand over hand, because here we do want to encourage the kids to do things on their own and have a great time doing it. And she really enjoyed it when she was done. This is Lexi's version. She decided to glue feathers to her hand to wave goodbye and hello. This is all part of using your manners, which was some of the lessons I taught in a kindergarten class. This is Carlos's version. He said it was hand on fire. This is before we wait for the parents to come pick up their students. As you can see, there are stickers in the background because those are used for positive reinforcement. The kids love to be stickered once they wake up, go to the bathroom, and quietly get their backpack and go to their seat and begin doing a puzzle or Play-Doh. This was a project that the kids completed after reading a book about birds. They were all allowed to pick out random birds, pick all kinds of random materials that they could find in the craft buckets, and they did what they wanted to do. And they did what preschoolers do best, which is use their imagination. And it's just so great to see them using their imagination. Here's Renee and Gabriel. They built a house out of these yellow, red, and blue blocks that you see, the bricks, the building bricks. Now, I observed them taking turns pulling blocks out of the bookcase and putting them down, and taking turns and allowing each other to put them where they want. Now, then, Gabriel decided he wanted to take the blanket and put it over the house that they had made and turn it into a chair. And he said, so he picked up the blanket, and Brene said no. And then I said, well, work it out. Do you want a chair or a house? And they both agreed, and both helped put the blanket over the bricks, and now they have a nice little seat for themselves. And they were really happy in the end. And finally, this is Brene and Cole, and they're just building the blocks because this is our math and block center, and it's got puzzles, it's got split bricks, links, all kind of counting objects, all kinds of number things, and other math-related and logic activities. And they really do enjoy this. The end. Thanks for watching our fabulous infomercial on our lovely preschool. Join our preschool today to start learning the fun way. If you and your child would like to come for a fun visit, dial the number at the bottom of your screen, 555-987-6543. That's 555-987-6543. Remember, we always want our kids to love learning. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. And have a great day.